Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the Pixel 7 and removing the SIM tray so no current flows. Once done, heat the frame edges to soften the adhesive. Aim for roughly 60-70 degrees C for a minute or two. You then place a suction cup low on the display and insert a thin pick to create a gap. Make sure to keep the pick shallow and work around the lower corners. You'll expose the perimeter without prying too deep because the display cables sit near the top. With the panel loosened, remove the 6 tiny screws holding the midframe, keeping them organized by location so reassembly is correct. Once the midframe comes off, disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts, then carefully unplug the display, selfie camera, and sensor cables. Gently lift connectors with a plastic spudger. You now pry the old LCD/digitizer free, working slow to separate adhesive. Make sure to clean remaining adhesive and dust from the chassis, so the new assembly will sit flat and bond securely. You should always test the replacement LCD before sealing. Temporarily reconnect the display and battery, power on, and verify touch, colors, and cameras. Once confirmed, power off, disconnect battery again, apply factory-grade adhesive strips to the frame, and place the new assembly aligned with the chassis. Press evenly along the edges for 60 to 90 seconds to set the bond. Reinstall the midframe and screws, insert the SIM tray, and boot the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.